it again, you guys. This entire box is only $15. Hey, beautifuls. Welcome back to my channel where we do all sorts of unboxings. Today, holy bananas, Allure is at it again, you guys. I have with me the entire November 2024 box, including the new member gifts. You heard me correctly. I did say gifts. You are going to be able to receive 2 additional bonus products if you sign up in the month of November for this box, making it a total of 9 items for $15. I mean, you guys know I love a good deal, and this is a steal of a deal this season. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this subscription box, I will have a link down below. I also have an exclusive discount code that will save you $10 off of your first box, making this entire bundle only $15. Now, the best part about this is, in the month of November, provided you sign up in this month, you will receive not 1, but 2 free bonus items. So the first free bonus gift that you will receive in the month of November is coming from Elemi, you guys. This is a full-size product. It is fabulous. I have used this product myself. So this one is their Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. It's a reviving eye cream. This will help to take down the look of tired or overworked eyes. So it's going to get rid of shadows, darkness that you might have in like your under eye area here. If you have any sort of like bags or puffiness, this will reduce not only that puffiness, but it's also going to help with that discoloration as well. This product retails for $50 if you were going to go purchase it in stores, but instead you can get it for free in the month of November if you're willing to pay $15. I mean, the math is mathing this month, you guys. But wait, there's more. For the first time ever, Allure has included a second free bonus item for new members. Now, this is the first time they've ever done this. It is only available in the month of November, so you have to sign up in this month. You will receive not only the Elemi product as your free item, but you're also going to receive a free product from Color Wow. Now, this was a collab that Color Wow did with Chris Appleton. It is the Money Mask. So it is a hair treatment mask. This is a travel-sized product that we have here of this one. This mask is going to give you a healthy looking glossy shine. It's also going to give you hydration back to your hair as well. So this one is going to leave it smooth, supple. It's going to get rid of frizziness if you have it as well. Again, this is a product that I did try previously. It does work. I cannot believe how glossy my hair did look. And surprisingly, the gloss stays on. I was a little concerned that after using this product, it may just fade really quickly. But no, I actually still saw a difference a couple of days later as well. So you'll need to maintain that gloss, obviously, with repeated treatments. It's not a one and done forever, but it does work. So again, first time ever, you're going to receive both of these items for free if you sign up and purchase using my link down below in the month of November. And if that wasn't enough, to sweeten the pot a little bit more, you'll also receive a free $10 gift card to the Allure members only shop. So after you sign up for this box, Allure will email you a $10 gift card that you can use on any of the products in their shop. Now, I will tell you, as a little bit of a spoiler alert, there are a lot of deals happening in November, and the closer we get to Black Friday, you're going to see a lot of sales on that shop as well. Your $10 gift card is going to be able to stack on top of that. But now we're going to get into the rest of this box. And do you see how many products are in here? So the first official item of the November box will be coming from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a customizable item, you guys. So everyone will be receiving this product. However, you will be able to customize the shade and choose which one works for you. So even if you are a new member, you'll be able to sign up using my link. It will ask you which shade you would like to have, and that's what they're going to customize your box with. So this one that I have is the soft brown shade. However, you can go with soft brown. There's also a dark brown, a medium brown, and a taupe shade. So this is the Brow Definer, and it is going to be a brow pencil. It is a full-size product that we have here in the box today. So you guys can purchase this at Sephora for $22, or you can get the whole box from Allure for $15 plus all these other products. I mean, I don't know how you can dice this any other way. It is just a steal this month. This is what that pencil will look like straight out of the box. Now again, the color is what will vary from box to box depending on which one you go with. This is the soft brown shade that I have here. What's great about this is you can actually carve your brows out. That way if you want to do any sort of like tips or if you want to have more angles, this is an angled pencil, which is really easy to work with. On the other end, you will have a spoolie here. This will add texture back to your brows. You can actually make them very wispy, feather them out, but again, full-size product. I mean, how awesome is this? But that's not the only full-sized item that you will receive in November. You'll also receive a full-size product from Obagi. Okay, we've talked about this brand a lot on my channel. I always tell you guys when you see this product in a box, it's already going to be worth it. This is a very expensive skincare company. To see it in Allure for the first time is super exciting. I hope we see more of this brand in the future. So this product is a full-size product. It is going to be a hydrating cream. So 1.7 ounces or 50 ml of product. This cream can be applied to your face and your neck area, and it is going to give you moisture back to your skin. Now you're gonna notice this ingredient, which honestly I wasn't even familiar with. It's kinetin. I think that's how you pronounce it. It is a plant-based ingredient, and they've mixed it in with this one to be a plant-based moisturizer. So this is what it will look like outside of the box. It looks very clinical, which is very on par for this brand. This product, if you wanted to purchase it, retails for $62. I mean, do we have to have another math lesson? $62 if you want to purchase it by itself, or the whole box for $15. Now this product not only features this kinetin inside of it, there's also aloe, which is a great natural ingredient. It gives you a massive hydration boost. Additionally, this is going to feature ascorbic acid as well, which is a pure form of vitamin C, giving you a glowiness when using this product. So it's got a lot of natural ingredients inside of it. It should be a great moisturizer at keeping your skin hydrated for this winter. Allure does guarantee 3 full-size products every single month with their subscription. So our next full-size product for November is coming from Kylie Cosmetics. The fun part is everyone is going to be receiving a different shade. Now this product is not customizable. It will be a random shade in your box. However, it is guaranteed to be full size and it will be a matte shade as well. So the one that I have here today is number 346. This shade is called A Moment. And I will tell you, all of these shades are very similar to each other. So I do think they're gonna be great complementary colors for everyone. I honestly don't think any shade is worse than the other one. So this is what A Moment will look like. It has a little bit of a pink tone to this one. I did feel like, this is my own personal thoughts, but when I first saw the advertising for this product through the Allure website, the pigment showed up very orange in their photos. And I don't know if it's the way they edited their photos or maybe the lighting, I'm not sure. But seeing the shades in person and online, they're not as orange as what Allure's promo photos look like. They're a lot more peach toned, a lot more pink, a little bit more neutral. So just to clarify that, in case you guys saw the same photos as me and you're like, wow, that looks really orange, it's really not that bad. So like I said, this is A Moment and it will have more of that pink hue to it. This one I think is stunning because it's a soft, subtle pink and it looks very flirty, very, I don't know, just girly and flirty, and I love it. And I feel like this is a shade you could wear with anything, so you could wear it all day long and it's gonna look so cute on. But again, see how it's not orange at all? And I don't know why. Just the photos that I saw made it look very orange. So the other 3 shades that are available for the November box are named Chloe, On Brand, or you could receive the Another Day, Another Nude shade. So this is what all 4 of them will look like here. Even this photo looks less orange. So they're all gonna be along those really neutral tones, a little bit of pink hues. One of them does have a peach undertone to it. So I think they're honestly all fabulous. But we are not done yet with this Allure box for November. The next item that everyone will be receiving in their November boxes is coming from Fenty Beauty. Now, Fenty is one of my favorite brands out there, you guys. This is going to be a travel size perfume perfume in the scent Fenty. I mean, it kind of says it all over the box too, so, you know, not that hard to figure out. So this is what the packaging will look like here. I do love the bright pop of blue. I have tried this fragrance out before. It is not my personal favorite scent, you guys. I will tell you that scent is very subjective. You either like it or you don't. I've tried it, it's just not my perfume. However, there are thousands of reviews out there of people that love this perfume. So I think it's gonna be one of those that you just need to try it yourself, just see if it works for you or not. I do love that we see this brand in here. I also like that this is a larger travel size bottle of perfume versus in the past with Allure, we have had the travel cards and that's only 1.2. I mean, they're small samples, 1.2 mil compared to this one at 10 mil of product. That's a big jump. So I do think that's awesome. I like the brand, I like the size, I love perfumes, it just happens to not be my favorite scent. So the fragrance notes on this perfume are going to be warm musk, rose, and tangerine. Our seventh item in the box is coming from Erborian. This is going to be their skin therapy oil. So this is an oil serum combo that's going to feature 17 hydrating ingredients inside. This is a travel size box that we have here today. So this is what it will look like. The idea is to apply this on before you go to bed and it will work overnight for your skin, which, hey, I am all about multitasking, let me tell you. So this one is going to feature hydrating plant extracts inside of this. They're all going to work while you're sleeping and it's going to nourish and plump your skin with moisture. It's also going to make your skin smoother after using this product. I have not tried this one out yet, but I will be now that I have it. So I'm not really sure if this works or not. I can't give you a review on this product. It does retail for $60 for the full size version, which is 30 mil. This is 10 mil of product that we have here today. So even at a travel size, it's still a pretty expensive little bottle. Product number 8 will be a hair care product. So this is coming from a brand called Michi, and it is their Set Gel to Foam Styling Mousse. So this mousse will help to get rid of frizz, and it's also going to allow you to style your hair effortlessly. So if you're looking for some really natural waves, you could use this product. It states that you don't even need to go in for a blowout because this will give you a natural blowout just using this product. And product number 9 will be our sponsor of the box for November. This is coming from Ava NYC. We will be receiving a free sample size inside of the box this month. Now this could vary from box to box. They do have 2 different samples available. This one that I have here today is their Lift Off Volume Mask. So it's 20 mil of product that we have here. This is going to be a lightweight thickening mask that you will apply onto your hair for extra volume. So it is cruelty-free, it's non-GMO, it's 100% vegan. There's also no parabens in here, fragrance, no mineral oil, everything that you don't want in hair care products, it's not inside of this product. Now, like I said, you could receive this product or you could receive a different item from the same brand. The other one is the Main Magic, which is a shine mask, and it will give you hydration, but it's also going to give you glossy shine to your hair as well. So you'll either have glossy hair or you're gonna have extra volume. So that is everything inside of the amazing November box, you guys, from Allure. Comment down below, let me know, what do you think of this box today? I just have to tell you, from a strictly numbers perspective, the math is mathing, you guys. Like, it is really good this month. The fact that you're getting full-size products in here for $15 is amazing. I also have to point out the fact that Allure has never, and I mean, seriously, I've had this box for 5 years. They have never offered 2 free products for new members. So that already was breaking records. But then to see Obagi, I mean, I love that brand, you guys. To have a fragrance in here, I mean, it's just awesome this month. Also, I have to point out one thing about this lip that I'm already loving. It's transfer proof. So it's already dried down on here and I'm able to wipe over top of it and nothing comes off on my hand. Additionally, there's nothing on my sweater, and my sweater's been hitting it as I've been talking because, you know, I talk with my hands. I have nothing on here whatsoever. So I already know that's gonna be great because it's not gonna go anywhere. So if you guys are interested in this box today where you're gonna receive 9 products for $15, you're also going to receive a $10 gift card towards the members shop. you have to sign up in the month of November. So don't wait. You are able to customize the brow product, but once they are sold out of a specific shade, they will not be restocking that shade. So if you do want to customize, get the exact shade that you love, definitely sign up right away. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!